everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you another breakfast recipe or snack recipe. This is spicy moong. This basket, I made this from my backyard stuff. So this onion, if you plant it, because this is already with leaves, and when you plant you get flowers, so that you can save those seeds for your cooking as kalunj, or even you can replant it. Ingredients for spicy moong. So I have boiled it for 30 minutes on medium flame, and I don't use cooker or pressure cooker, so I boil it directly, and there should not be water in this, so I've taken 1.5 cup, and it should be cooked like this. So I've set up 5 minutes to see how much time I'm going to take to complete this. I've taken 1 spoon pink salt, and these are red chilies, 5 to 6 red chilies. I've 32 small pieces, and this is garlic, 8 to 9 garlic. I've chopped into large pieces. 3 spoons oil. It shows 4 minutes. And let's start. I'm adding 3 spoons oil. 1, 2, 3 spoons. Just measuring with my eyeball. And I'm adding all the ingredients at a time, except the moong. Here we are trying to speed up. Even you can put the moong in slow cooker. So I'm using only 5 ingredients. So I want to minimize the ingredients. I'm going to add moong. So at least 5 to 5 minutes, depending on the quantity we need. So this is our lunch. Mix them well. So by the time you are adding your moong, little more your garlic will be cooked. Just mix it. That's it. You're done. I'm going to show you timer. You still have 3 more minutes. I've done this in 3 minutes. I'm turning off. I'm going to transfer it to bowl. Transferred it. Let's go for taste test. I like garlic. Taste very good. Try out, guys. For full recipe, look into the description box below. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel for notifications, and see you with next recipe. Until then, bye.